What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is, of course, Aharon Brown, and thank you all so much for tuning into this video once again. Thank you all for viewing my past content. If you haven't already, everything will be linked for you to watch. Thank you so much for tuning in. And today, I was just scrolling across my feed, and guys, I came across one of my favorite YouTubers to watch, and that being Mr. Sam, the cooking guy. And he made pizza fries today, and I was like, wow. That looks like something that's simple, it's fun, everybody would like to do. It's something that anybody can do. So I was like, you know what? Let's do it over here, guys. So today, we'll be making the most amazing pizza fries. While my hot oil is working, I'm going to take these russet potatoes and I'm going to cut off the tops. These were rinsed with cold water. I'm going to cut down carefully. Don't want water and oil everywhere. Just want to believe me, it is no race at all unless you're trying to hurry up and devour these beautiful French fries. Look at these beautiful fries. And now we want to start working on toppings. And right here I have a nice onion. And I feel like onions complement potatoes very, very well. And now I'm going to take everybody's favorite apple smoked bacon. Just want to give it a nice chop. And now that our potatoes have been nice and patted dry, put them in. And because I want these as nice and crispy as possible, I'm going to cook these twice. So we'll give these a good 4 minutes. And then we take them out. With my spider, I'm going to move around just a little bit. And I'm going to put in the description this all-clad non-stick frying pan that you guys are going to absolutely love. It's very inexpensive. It's from Amazon, and I love it, so I know you will. Begin our onions. And who doesn't like the sound of baking hitting hot pans? We want this bacon to get nice and crispy because we're looking for flavor as well as a nice texture. And now we add back in our fries. Some of them kind of start to break apart, and that's perfectly fine. I'm not looking for perfect McDonald's-like fries. We just want delicious fries. Just look at the color on the bacon. These fries are coming along absolutely amazing, and this bacon is getting nice and crispy. It smells delicious. I'm not that big on bacon, especially regular. I will eat turkey, but this is smelling absolutely delightful. And for the last time, I'm gonna add in some onions. And I'm just gonna bind these two together. Now that I have the level of crisp that I was looking for, back into our cooling rack and paper towel. And if you guys watched our video yesterday of our chicken Alfredo video, I urgently advise you to watch that, guys. We have a special tomato sauce. This is Sam, the cooking guy's recipe that I tried out. It was absolutely amazing. I still have some left over. We're gonna have this for our pizza fries. Now that our fries are working, I'm gonna add some pepperonis to our pan. Just gonna let these get a little bit of crispy so that they have a nice crunch and texture. Guys, this is absolutely amazing. My God, the smell in this kitchen is absolutely amazing. Guys, I wish you were here to see this. I want you to imagine you're at a carnival. You're at a carnival, of course there's candy apples, there's caramel apples, there's funnel cake, there's fried Oreos, there's fried ice cream, there's fried brownies, fried everything. But then you go to those certain stands that have French fries. Man, it almost smells like amusement park, carnival, water park French fries, and I absolutely love water park, carnival, amusement park French fries. Look at Could I have scraped off the skin, peeled it off? Yeah, I could have. But the skin, to me, and you can tell me how you feel about it in the comment section if you haven't already clicked that like button and subscribe, is I feel like the skin gives it flavor. The skin gives it more color. The skin gives it personality. I have nothing against peeled potatoes. They taste just as great. But that skin, come on. Now that my fries are all ready, back on the cooling rack. So just look at these amazing, beautiful fries. So now we want to do the crisp test. These fries, they're nice, they're crispy. Let's give them a taste. Great. I'm going to transport these fries now to my mixing bowl. The ones that have seeped to the bottom, let them out too. I mean, come on, all fries matter. Feed them some salt and a little black pepper and give them a shake. Give them another taste. Perfection. Now on a plate that you can actually put in your oven, I'm just gonna lay these out. Spread them all out nicely. Take some cheese. Our bacon and onion mix. And what is a pizza without pepperoni? Now I have an oven preheated to 420 degrees. Some of you get that. If you work for pizza places, they usually set their ovens to 420. And now we go in the oven. Our fries are crispy, our bacon's crispy, our pepperoni's crispy, our caramel onions are nice and beautiful. Guys, all this needs is what you would put on a pizza. A touch of dried oregano. Just a touch. For kick, a little crushed pepper, and a little bit of Parmesan. Guys, now that's our pizza fries. Absolutely gorgeous. They're nice, they're cheesy, nice and melted. And now I just kind of want to go in for a little bite. And our beautiful tomato sauce. Absolutely delicious. Thank you guys so much for viewing. Hopefully you guys liked tonight's content. Hit that like button, share with somebody, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment below. Tell me what you think about the views that I'm viewing. Tell me if you're gonna try this out. Thank you so much, Sam, for putting out that content today. Something to kind of fall back on. Thank you all so much. Have a great night.